Orkney, it was never a Gaelic-speaking area. I think there probably was, in fact, there definitely was a Celtic language there before the Viking invasion, the early centuries AD, and so that there aren't any remnants of the language as a language, except a place name. And perhaps, I don't know that there are even any old inscriptions, unless possibly in this runic form. I don't know whether that would be appropriate. But there are Celtic stone inscriptions of graphic kind, drawings with, the Celtic things like the fish, the crescent with the arrow through it, the broken arrow. Do these exist down here?
There's some, yeah.
I think these ones are Scottish. A few of those, those appear in some ancient buildings. But then it was the Norse language that took over, Old Norse, really, and the remnants of local speech that, ancient art and the old, well, it's called the Orkney Norn. The Shetland Norn is closer to the Old Norse, but the Orkney Norn also retained a lot of Norse speech. There's not very much of that there, but there is some.
And do you think this festival has been successful in achieving the aims set out with?
I don't think it's been successful. Well, I'm not absolutely sure what its aims were in the first place, but it's certainly been an interesting event. And I think people meeting and talking about their concerns and reassuring themselves that they're not as isolated as they maybe thought. It's bound to be a help. And as a preliminary to Cornwall having the Celtic Film Festival next year, I think it's a good thing to have had this festival first. And it would be rather good to have an element of this in the big Celtic Film Festival, wouldn't it? Maybe rather than keeping the two things as separate.
Yeah.
Have a greater Celtic within the Celtic Film Festival. I'm not sure, it might be so.
Yeah,
what do you think?
I think that's a good idea.
You can have too many festivals, can't you? Too many sort of separate factions. And the Cornish thing, I think England maybe tends to treat Cornwall as a joke. It treats Wales as a joke, Ireland as a joke, Scotland as a joke, and itself is a joke if it comes. So that an awareness of Cornwall as a place in itself, whether it's a kingdom or whatever, is bound to help, isn't it? And I think it's very good that Cornwall is thinking of coming into the round of the Celtic Film Festival.